got her finished up. Got the window installed. I'll go over and open it up and show you how it works. Get a ladder. Hang on just a minute. Don't necessarily have to lock that. There it is. I'll get you up closer so you can see everything. Alright. You were with me when we installed this. And it's just like a little header up in the joist. And then we installed these uprights. And the window is sitting on a shim. And we tried to equally space it here on the sides. And then we've got a space at the top of the window as well. Tried to plenty of space for swelling and shrinkage. And of course we got a screen here. There's the view. Right, we got about 6 more to go. And again, this is chainsaw milled lumber, and if you watch the shingle in the cabin videos, you know that I use steeply discounted materials when I buy them, and these windows are a clearance item. A word about that, I looked at Habitat Restores, probably 6 to 8 different stores, and for what I paid for these, there was not much savings over what they had, and I didn't have to rework anything. So there's that. Look around for deals if you're building a cabin or building a house for that matter. I'll repeat again, I roofed this cabin for $87 and change. So look for those deals. Ask questions. This kind of sounds like a Bible verse. Knock and it shall be opened unto you. Seek and you shall find. Ask and it shall be given unto you. Thank you for watching.